Love and hope and quiet glory spoil us with a gentle lie. All our youthful games and stories faded like the morning sky. Yet inside desire is burning under fate's unyielding weight. Restless hearts are still returning, hearing homeland call our name. We wait in aching expectation for freedom's holy final hour, like a lover at a station, waiting for the one adore. While we're blazing still with freedom, while our hearts can beat for honor. Friend of mine, let's give our homeland all our brightest dreams and fervor. Comrade, trust the dawn that's coming. Soon that star of joy will claim us. Russia will awake from slumbering on the ruins of a tyrant's. They will write our names. They will write our names. All their lies could not erase us, couldn't chain the living soul. Under ashes, sparks still chase us, pulling us to one shared goal. We're not made for blind obedience. We're not born to crawl and kneel in the silence, growing lenient. Freedom's footsteps we can feel. We wait in tremble expectation for freedom's holy final hour, like a lover at a station, running into open arms. While we're blazing still with freedom, while our hearts can beat for honor. Friend of mine, let's give our homeland all our brightest dreams and fervor. Comrade, trust the dawn that's coming. Soon that star of joy will claim us. Russia will awake from slumbering on the ruins of her tyrants. They will write our names. They will write our name. If we fall before we see it, let our song outlive our bones. Through our children they will hear it, through their children's breath and know. While we're blazing